Future Linus here to talk to you about the professional series of LED COB tapes. COB stands for chip on board, means the flip chip light emitting diodes are directly soldered on the flexible printed circuit board. So take a look at the variants of COB tape lights. This is the standard type, 9 watt per meter. The chip density is 480 per meter. It's 4 times the conventional 2835 strip lights. And it is softer and generates less heat. It has almost no obvious light spots and offers a seamless output. It is perfect for installation in ultra-thin aluminum profiles or shadow spaces. The color temperatures are available in 2700 Kelvin, 3000, 4000, and 6000 Kelvin. The fluorescent silicone have different colors. 8 mm wide and 2 ounces copper foil circuit board provide good heat dissipation and less volt drop. The maximum length of a single tape is 10 meters. The basic types are IP20 for indoor installation. This is silicone gel coating type, IP65 for indoor humidity spaces. This is IP67 silicone tube for outdoor application. This is also IP67. And this type is IP68 solid silicone extrusion, suitable for underwater lighting. These two types look similar. The IP67 is hollow and the IP68 is solid. The narrow series is available in 4 mm type with 6 watts per meter and 5 mm type with 7 watts per meter. The variable color temperature COB tape consists of 3000 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin, 608 LEDs per meter. The color temperature can be smoothly adjusted by the controller and the tape is fully dimmable. 22 watts per meter, suitable for home renovation and hospitality. The RGB COB tape is 840 LEDs per meter, that's 256 per feet. Compares to the common 50-50 magic strip or 35-35 tape, the higher density enhances the visual effect. Use a controller to change the color. But the RGB white is a little bluish, so it's better to take an extra 6000 Kelvin COB tape to dedicate the white channel. Soldering is always the best connection method. Considering the convenience of the installation, this kind of crystal wire connector is more suitable for construction environment. Cut the COB tape directly with a wire stripper. Take a look at the polarity symbols. Then insert the tape into the clip and clamp it. The efficacy is 120 lumens per watt in 6000 Kelvin color temperature and 100 lumens per watt in 3000 Kelvin. Fully dimmable and up to 90 CRI makes the COB tapes are perfect for application in the commercial lighting, hospitality industries, and residential applications. Thanks for your watching.